How to change Discord email without verification. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Let's get into the video by launching Discord application in your PC, or you can just use Discord web. Please know that Discord cannot change your email unless you verify your ownership with your previous account. I'll show you a quick solution of how to go about it. Click on Discord app or web to open it. Once in, you'll see all the servers at the left side. Go ahead and tap on this help button at the top right corner. This will open this help set. From all this option at the top, go ahead and click on submit a request. This will bring you to the page. Now click on this drop menu from these options and just select on this first option, return help and support. Now type in your current email address in here. And now in the type of question, select Discord account credentials. And now select that I no longer have access to my account. Now fill in the subject. You can also give a brief description of request right here. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on submit. And that's how you do it. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.